Okay, Java. So I think we know that Java is an object-oriented programming language. So language means like computer language. I think you know C or any other language. So Java is also a computer language. Programming. So I think you are aware with programming in computer. Orient means dependent. So we can say Java is a object-dependent programming language. Okay. So first question will arise that what is object? So each and everything is object. Like you and me also object, which have some properties and behavior that called object. Like suppose you and me have my name, my father's name, my mother's name, address, city, pin code, and email address, mobile number. These are our properties. And we are talking, we are laughing, we are walking. These are our behaviors. Okay. So each object have some properties and behavior. In computer language, we can say a object have some state and behavior. Okay. So if you want to handle, if you want to manage these object, so we have a system that is called object-oriented programming system. And this system provides us multiple concepts like object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. So we will learn uh, these concepts one by one. Okay. On the basis of this concept, we can categorize uh, all object-oriented programming languages. Okay, because we have multiple object-oriented programming languages like JavaScript and VBScript, Simula, Smalltalk, C++, Java, C Sharp, Python. These are uh, object-oriented programming languages. We can categorize on the basis of these concepts. Okay, so on the basis of this concept, we can categorize the OOPS concept in three categories. First, object-based. Second is pure object-oriented programming language. And third is a object-oriented programming language. Okay, so on the basis of these uh, concept, we can categorize the all object-oriented programming language in three categories. Object-based, pure object-oriented programming language, object-oriented programming language, okay, object-based. Which languages don't support inheritance? That's called object-based language, like JavaScript, VB script, are object-based language. So here you can see definition. Those languages don't support inheritance. Which languages don't support inheritance? That's called object-based languages like JavaScript and VBScript. Pure object-oriented programming language like Simula and Smalltalk. These languages don't support primitive values, primitive data type. I think you know that primitive data types like integer, float, double, character. These are primitive data types. So object-oriented program, pure or object-oriented programming languages don't support primitive data types like integer, float, like. Okay, it's only work on the basis of object. Okay, it don't support uh, primitive values. Okay, and third is object-oriented programming language. So those languages support primitive data type and object base. Means we can work on primitive values and object both, like C++, Java, C Sharp, etc. These are object-oriented programming language. Means we can use primitive values like integer, float, double, character, like data types, and object also means object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. We can also perform this concept. And we can also use Primitive values like integer, float, double, character, boolean. We can also use these types of values. Okay. So Java. So I want to say that Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. Java is a object-oriented programming language because uh, multiple concept Java does not support, like multiple inheritance, like operator overloading. So Java is only a object-oriented programming. Java is not a pure OPP object, pure OPP language means pure object-oriented programming language. No, only similar and small talk are pure OPP language, pure object-oriented programming language. Java is only object-oriented programming language. Okay, next, Java. Uh, what is the use of Java? Actually, before the Java, we have C and C++, and both languages are very strong languages. So why we are using Java? What is the purpose of Java? So actually, Java developed only for application software. We cannot create system software on the basis of Java. Okay, we can develop only application software. So Java developed only for application programming, application softwares. Okay, we can create any types of application software, like we can develop desktop application, we can develop console application, we can develop web application like web browser or website. We can develop on the basis of Java. Okay, addition. Java provides, I think you know that core Java and advanced Java. But actually, core Java and advanced Java are not a official word. Actually, Oracle provides us different edition for different purpose, like JAC, JE, JME, BioJava, and JavaFX. JAC, Java Extended Edition. We also known as core Java. JE, Java Enterprise Edition. We also known as advanced Java. JME, Java Macro Edition. Uh, so first JC, if you want to develop console application, if you want to develop desktop application, we use JAC, Java Standard Edition. If you want to develop a website, if you want to develop a web browser, so we use JEE, Java Enterprise Edition. If you want to develop software for micro equipment, like suppose mobile, suppose uh, set-up box, suppose remote control. For this purpose, we use JME, but currently we use Android at the place of JME. BioJava is used for using medical research, and JavaFX used to uh, develop front-end programming. Okay, so there are three types of different types of different edition of Java. Uh, Oracle providers. Okay, so as per our requirement, we can use any edition of Java. After that, characteristics of Java. Java is a simple language, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secure. These are the characteristics of Java. We will learn one by one all characteristics of Java. Installation. If you want to use Java, so first of all, install JDK in your system. Okay. So for this purpose, suppose you want to install Java in your system. So please type here, download JDK 8 R1.8. Okay, press enter. It will show multiple links. So please click on first link, Java SE 8. Okay, click on this. Here you can see there are multiple links. Okay, so here you can see that there are different platforms like Linux. Okay, so as per our requirement as per our platform. Here, suppose our system is a Windows 64. So we will click on this link if Windows 86 means 32-bit. So we will click on this link. Okay. So first of all, I want to learn why it's showing different types of JDK. So here, the most important characteristics of Java is a platform independent. Okay. The most important characteristics of Java is a platform independent. What is the meaning of platform independent? Platform means operating system plus processor. So we can say Java is Java is a operating system plus processor independent. Means we can execute our Java program on any operating system and on any processor. Okay. The main reason of the popularity of Java is platform independent. Java is a platform independent. What is the meaning of this? Means platform is operating system plus processor. So we can say Java program can be executed on any operating system plus on any processor. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Means and what is new in Java? Because we have C and C++ like strongest languages. Okay. So actually, suppose if we want to create a program in C language, okay, that is called source code. And if you want to save this language, this program, so suppose file name is ABC. So with C extension, we can save this file, okay, in C language. After compilation, it will generate a .exe file like abc.exe file. For suppose file name is abc, so it will generate a exe file abc.exe. This file is also called executable file or machine code, source code, machine code, sorry, and native code, executable code, binary code, we can say it. Okay. Same as in C++, we will save file with extension CPP, and after compilation, it will generate exe file also. Means the basic concept of C and C++ both are same. Okay. But in Java, suppose we will create a file, a program, so we'll save with Java extension. Okay. And after compilation, it will generate a .class file at the place of .exe file. Because the characteristics of .exe is that it will execute at that place where we will generate it. Okay. So in Java, uh, after compilation, Java generate .class file at the place of .exe. So what is class file? Actually, it contains bytecodes. What is bytecode? Actually, bytecode is a nominal code of Java. So we can say after compilation, Java convert our programming code in its own nominal code and create a new file with extension .class extension. Okay. After that, we are free. We can execute this class file on any platform, on any operating system, on any processor. So suppose I have a class file abc.class. So we can execute on any platform. Okay. So for this, suppose we want to execute this class file. So we use JVM. Java virtual machine. Okay, and it work like as a interpreter and execute our class file. So first of all, JVM convert this class file in a executable file. So suppose we want to execute this class file on um, Windows platform. So it will generate .exe file. If you want to execute this class file on Linux, so it will generate .bin file. So according to platform, JVM generate executable file. If we are trying to execute on Linux, it will generate .bin file. If we want to execute this class file on Windows, it will generate .exe file. Same thing in Mac, it will execute, it will generate executable file according to Mac. Okay, so actually JVM generate a executable file according to its own platform. So how it is possible? How to generate JVM uh, different types of different executable file? Actual Java is a platform independent, but Java Virtual Machine is a platform dependent. What is the meaning of this? Actually, suppose here you can see this. I told you, if you want to use Java, so first of all, we install JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Okay. So JDK is equal to Java compiler plus JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Okay. And JRE is equal to JVM plus operating system support file. Okay. So we can say JDK is equal to Java compiler plus JVM plus operating system support file. Okay. So actually JVM is existing JDK. And JDK, you can see here, Oracle provides us different JDK for different platform. Means Windows for different and Windows 32 for different JDK, Windows 64 for different JDK, Solaris for different JDK, Mac for different JDK, and Linux for different JDK. So actually Oracle provides us different JDK for different platform. It means all platform all platform have its own JVM, its own JDK. Suppose we have a Windows platform. So I will install, suppose I have Windows 64. So I will install this. I will click on this link. Okay. Select here this checkbox and click on this button. Okay. After that, it will show login button, login page. If I think you have already a user of Oracle, so you can specify a username and password. Okay. After that, click on sign in button and it will automatically download from the internet. Okay, so here you can see this. Yes, here it will show this dialog box. Here input login page. Here specify username and password, then click on sign in. Then it will automatically download JDK in your machine. So if JDK is separate for separate platform. So obviously JVM is also part of JDK. So JVM is a different, we have different JVM for different platform. So actually, suppose we have multiple system. So this system have Windows, okay. This system have Linux, and this system have Mac. Okay. So we will install in this machine, we will install Windows JDK. This machine will install Linux JDK. And in this machine, we will install Mac, Mac JDK. So all machine have different JVM. So actually JVM convert our class file, it's according to its own platform. Means this Windows have uh, JVM according to this platform. This machine have JVM according to this platform. This machine have JVM according to this platform. So if we will install, we will convert, we are trying to execute a class file on Windows. So JVM convert this class file according to this platform. If you are trying to execute this class file in Linux, so JVM convert that class file according to Linux, because Linux machine have Linux type of JVM. Same as Mac have Mac JVM, so it will convert class file according to Mac executable file. Okay, so that is a feature of Java. So each platform have its own JVM. So JVM convert our class file, it's according to its own platform. Okay, so Java JVM is a platform dependent, but Java work as a platform independent. Understood what I'm saying? Hello, any doubt, any queries?
Yes. No, very good.
Okay, so second, security. Java is a secure language. If you have, suppose you want to develop a software, a bank, or any other, where we have a company need of more security. So company mostly prefer Java because Java is a most secure language compared to another language. Okay, so what is the reason Java? Why Java is a very secure language? So actually, suppose we want to create a program in Java, so there are multiple phases. Like first of all, that first is called editing. First is the editing phase. In editing phase, we can create a file and save with extension Java. So you can say what is new. Actually, here I think you know that C language or C++. So in C and C language, suppose I have yes, you can see this. This is the editor of C language and C++. Okay, suppose this is C language program. Okay, suppose we want to execute this. So this is the editor of C language or C++ language. Okay, suppose we want to execute this program. So we click on run. So you can see this screen. The output is shown on this screen. This is a DOS screen. Okay, so actually I want to say that C and C++ have its own editor where we can write the program. Okay, but Java have not its editor. Second thing, if you want to execute a C and C++ program, So it uses DOS screen for the output. DOS shell. You can see here, hello C language. Okay, so this is a DOS screen. So actually C and C++ have its own editor, but it have not input output screen. But Java have neither editor nor input output screen. We can use any editor for Java. Means we can use Notepad, we can use Notepad plus plus, we can use NetBeans, we can use uh, Eclipse, My Eclipse, and IntelliJ Java, IntelliJ. There are multiple editors where we can write the program of Java, and after that we can save. Only we can write Java program on any editor. Only save with Java extension. So actually Java have not any editor. So we can write anywhere. We can write the program of Java anywhere on any editor. We can use it. Okay. Only write the program and save with extension Java. That is called editing phase. After the second phase is compilation. After compilation, we will get a class file. Okay. So Java provides us a compiler, name is Java C. With the help of Java C, we can compile the program and it will generate a class file. Okay. After that, we will free. We can move we can move on any platform with this file. Okay. After that, in next phase, that is a class loading. Okay, class loading means if you want to execute any program, like suppose we want to play a game or anything. So first of all, that program will load in the memory of your system. Okay, same as if you want to execute class file, your Java class file. So must be load in the memory. So that is a class file. So when it will load in the memory, that is called class loading because extension is class. So we are calling this class loading. Your class file will load in the memory. That is a class loading. Okay. And Java provides us different class loader for loading different types of class like bootstrap class loader, system class loader, and uh, system class loader and extension class loader. Okay. After that class loading, Java provides us next phase that is called bytecode verification. Bytecode verification. Okay. For this purpose, Java provides as a mechanism sandbox sandbox security. Okay. Through the sandbox, actually, this class file have some bytecodes. Okay. So after class loading, Java check these bytecodes through the sandbox security. It check it have any illegal content or not in these bytecodes. If it will found any illegal content in this bytecode, your program will terminate. Means Java will terminate your program. Okay, but if it will free of illegal content like virus free, then it will execute in next phase. Execute your program. Okay, so actually before the execution, Java check your bytecode. This class file have bytecodes. So through the sandbox security, Java check your bytecode, it have any illegal content or not. If it will found any illegal content in your bytecode, your program will be terminated. So Java is a pure, very secure language. It is a virus free. If JVM will found any virus or any illegal content in your file, in your class file, then it will terminate your program. It will not execute. But if it will free of any virus, any illegal content, in next phase it will execute. So before the execution, JVM check your bytecode to the sandbox security. So Java also provides us different mechanism, different tools to and rules and regulation. We can create all program within a class. We cannot write anything outside of the class. So Java provide different features for security purpose. So Java is a very secure language. So we can say these are two are most important feature of your Java. Okay, so we will learn one by one multi-threading and other characteristics of Java one by one. Okay, any doubt, any queries?
No.
Okay, so after that, please download. Okay, so it's very simple. If you want to download, so first of all, type here download JDK 8. There are different version 8, 11, Center 17, and 20. But mostly companies prefer Java 8, and Java 8 have most features. We are mostly companies prefer Java 8. So please download JDK 8. Click on open your browser and type down JDK 8, and then click on first link. It will provide you different edition, different JDK for different platform. So according to your platform, click on this link. Suppose we have Windows 64, so we will click on this link. Windows 34, this according to platform you can download JDK. So suppose we have 64, so click on this link. Okay, select this checkbox, click on this button, then it will show a window for login. So specify here username and password, click on sign in. It will automatically download your JDK from the internet. If you have not, I think you have already installed Oracle database. So you have user account, so you can use that account. Otherwise, if you have not any account, Oracle account, you can click on create account and create a register as a user in Oracle site. After that, specify your username and password and click on sign in. Okay, so it will start automatically start the downloading, and after downloading we will get a file like this. JDK, this is JDK 8, and please click on this link, and after that you can install JDK in your system. So if you want to write the program use Java, so install JDK in your machine. Okay, after that, after installation, we set the path of Java compiler. Actually, after installation, like suppose we have installed JDK in C drive. So in program files here, please open your file explorer. I click on drive C. Here we will get a folder program files. Please open these program files. Here you will get a folder Java. Okay, please open this folder. Here you can see JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8. Okay, so open here JDK. Please open JDK. So after installation, you will get two folder JDK and JRE. Okay, open JDK folder. So you will get these content. Please open your bin file, bin folder. So here you can see this. So here you will get a file Java C. That is a compiler of Java. Okay, so This is the path of compiler of Java. Okay, so copy this path. Actually, suppose we want to create our file of Java file. So if you want to develop, if you want to write the program of Java anywhere in your system, so please set the path of compiler. So that's the benefit of compiler. If you set the path of compiler, so we can write the program anywhere in our system. Okay, so please, this is Java C is a compiler and this is a path of Java. Please copy this. Click on copy. Okay, after that, here you will get this PC. Please right click on this PC. It will show a shortcut menu. Click on properties. It will show this dialog box here. Please click here. You will get a option advanced system setting. Please click on this link. Then it will show this dialog box. Okay, here you will get a option environment variable. Please click on this environment variable button. It will show this dialog box. So here there is a 3 button: new, edit and delete. Please click on new. Okay, here specify variable name. So we want to set the path of compiler. So here type your path and paste here the path of compiler. After that, please click on OK. OK button. But I have already set the path. So I will click on cancel button. Understood? Okay. First of all, copy the path of Java compiler. After that, click right mouse button on this PC. Okay. You will get properties option. Click on it. Then click on advanced system setting. Then click on environment variable. Then click on new. Then type here path. And here paste the path of compiler. After that, click on OK. Okay. But I will click on cancel because I have already set the path. Okay. After that, click on OK. Then click on OK. We can close this. Now, if you want to check the path has set or not, so please open your CMD in command prompt. Type here CMD. Then you will get command prompt. Click on command prompt. It will show here. This is a DOS screen. Here, type here Java C and press enter. If it will show this type of information, means your set is already set. Your path is already set. Okay, understood?
Okay, yes.
Okay, after that, we can write the program and we can execute the program. Okay. So suppose we want to write a program in Java. So if we want to create a program in Java, so we will start from the class. Okay, we cannot write anything outside of the class. Okay, we will write each code within the class. So class, and here open the braces, and within the braces we can write the all code of the program. We cannot write outside of anything, any code outside of this class. Okay, so we can create multiple class. So how to identify this class? So same as you and me, for identification we have a name. Same as we can declare a name for each class. Okay, so class is a keyword. Keyword means like suppose computer language or any language have some predefined languages, a word that suppose English word like cat, mat, rat. There are multiple words, thousands of words, lakh word. Okay, so all computer language also made by collection of word, different types of word like int, float, character, string, like. So these are called keywords. Sorry, string are not a keyword. Okay, string is a class in Java, and Java have 50 keywords. Okay, so uh, uh, class is also a keyword. For if you want to create a class, so we will use class keyword. After that, we can specify a name of this class. Okay, so if you want to specify a name of class or name of method, name of function, name of interface, name of variable, name of constant. So all languages provide have some rules. Okay, so same as Java have some rules for if you are specify a name of variable or class name or interface name. So first, these are rules to must be follow at the time of creating your program. Okay, first, if you want to specify a class name or any name, variable name, or method name, or function name, or interface name, must we follow these rules. First, we can use A to Z later, capital or small, we can use this later. 0 to 9 number we can use, and underscore. All languages support these content. Means we can use A to Z later, 0 to 9 number, and underscore. And like dollar sign. Okay, so you can say why we are using these rules. Actually, there are multiple rules. So we will learn one by one. Like suppose your name is Jyoti, Jyoti Rohit, like this. Okay, suppose your name is Jyoti Sharma. Okay, so you can see here we are also following some rules at the time of declaration of name of any person. Here you can see we are not using any number or symbol in this name. Same as if your name Rohit and uh, Vijesh, you can see your name have not any number or symbol. But in computer language, name of variable, name of class, name of constant, we can use number also. We can use underscore as a symbol and dollar sign also. Only Java and JavaScript support dollar sign, but we cannot use dollar sign in any other language like C, C++, C sharp, or any other language. We can Python. We cannot use dollar sign. Only Java support dollar sign. So we can also use dollar sign in name of class or name of any name of variable, name of interface, name of method, function. We can use A to Z letters with a number, underscore, and dollar sign. Okay. Second thing, at the time of declaration of name, we cannot consider about the number of character. Like suppose here you can see this number has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This name has 12 character, 12 letters. So at the time of declaration of name of any person, we don't consider number of character. Same as in Java, no limit. We can use any number of character in name of class, name of variable, name of method, name of class, name of constant. Okay, we can use any number of characters. Okay, third, here, computer language, Java or any other language, we have provide a facility. We can use A to Z letter, 0 to 9 number, underscore, and dollar sign. But we cannot use number as a first character. Okay, suppose here, here we declare a1 is equal to 10. Okay, and this is an integer type of values. So a1 is equal to 10. We can specify this. Okay, but we cannot write it as 1a is equal to 10. That is wrong. First character, we cannot use a digit. Okay, after first character, we can second character. We can use number, no problem. We can use symbol, we can use number. But as a first character, we cannot use number. So these are the three rules must be followed at the time of declaration of any name, of any name of class, name of interface, name of method, function, variable, or constant. Okay. So mostly languages support these third rules. Okay, and like C, we can Java there is no limit, but in C language we can use only 31 character. Okay, in C language we can only use A to Z letters, 09 number and underscore. But in Java we can also use $sign. Okay, except that Java also provides us some convention. So rule is rule. Uh, we must follow it at the time of declaration of name. But Java provides some convention. Okay, so conventions are not rule. It depends on us we use or not. Okay, like here, say first rule. If we want to declare name of class, so first letter should be capital. That is not mandatory. Okay, but Java, according to Java convention, the class name should be start with capital letter. Like suppose here you can see this, Jyoti Sharma. So Jyoti, SJ is a capital and S is a capital. Okay, here. Second thing, we are using a small space within two word. Okay, but it is not possible in computer language. We use underscore at the place of space. Okay, like suppose we want to write here roll number. We cannot use space. At the place of space, we use underscore. Okay, so any language, any computer language does not support space in the name of variable, in the name of a class name or function name, any identifier. We cannot use space. Okay, must you remember this? But in now in person name, we use space. Okay, we cannot use any symbol in our name, but in computer language, we can use underscore and $sign as a symbol. Okay, now, so according to Java, first convention is the name of Java should be start with capital letter. Okay, but suppose our name is a combination of multiple words like demo of Java program. First letter of each word should be capital. That's not mandatory, but this is a convention of Java. The first letter of each word in capital. Okay. Third convention, name should be class name, should be noun, like account name, like student, like employee, like college, like this. Okay. So name should be a noun, like employee. Okay. So these are the convention, but these are not a rule. Okay. So it depends on you. You can use or not. Okay. So according to Java convention, the first letter should be capital of class name. Okay. So first of all, right here, class name. Suppose here I've declared class name demo. After that here, use a method. So I think you know that C language. In C language, we use a main method. That is a um, entry point of C program. Okay. and we use this function, and we can write each and everything within these braces. Okay, but in Java, in C++, we use void or int main. But in Java, we use public static void main string args. This is a main function of Java. So within class, we type here, we create main method, main function, public static void main string ar string, and this is a symbol of array, and this is a variable. Okay, and after that we can type here your our programming code like system dot out dot println. Okay, and type here hello. Okay, so this is the main method of your Java. So main method in Java, we use public static void main, and main have one parameter, that is a string args array. We can create any name here. This is variable name. Okay, so first of all, we will check what is the use of these, like public, what is static, what is void, what is main, what is string, what is a symbol, what is args. Okay, so public, what is public? Actually, according to Java, we have different types of properties. Like some properties are public, some private, some protected, some default. Okay. So these are called access modifier. These are called access modifier. There are 4 access modifier: public, static, protected, and default. Okay. What is public? What is the meaning of public? Like public place means any person can use that place, like suppose station, like public travel, uh, like bus, like train. These are the public uh, place or things. So we can any person can be used. Okay, same as public. If you will declare any properties or behavior, that is uh, public, so we can use that member of class anywhere in the program if we declare public. If anything is a public, we have declared as public, so we can use that member. Actually, first of all, class is a collection of similar type object. So actually we declare the properties and behavior in the class. So if you declare any properties or any behavior as a public, so we can access that member anywhere in the program, in project. Okay, no problem. So public is have no restriction, any restriction if you have declared public. Okay, second thing, second is a private. So if you have declared any properties or behavior as a private, so we can use within the class. We cannot access any private member outside of the class. We can access only within the class. If you have declared protected, so child class also can access that property. Like suppose you can access your father house, you can access your father car, you can access your father account, ATM. If your father provide you a facility of a house, if your father give you permission, you can live in the house of your father. So you can live in your father house. If your father provide you password of email address, so you can use that. If that email ID, if your father provides you pin number of ATM card, so you can access ATM card of your father, but only you can access your father uh, properties. Neighbor child cannot access your father's properties. So same as here, if you have declared any property, any behavior, any member of class as a protected, so child class can also access that properties. But if you have declared private, suppose your father name, that is a private property of your father, you cannot use father's name at the place of your name. Okay, so we can only use the protected property of parent. So if that is a protected, so if you have declared protected means we can access that member in the child class also. And default is same as public, but we can access within the same package. We cannot access outside of the package. Package means folder. We cannot access outside of that package or that folder. Okay. So what is actually Java provide us keyword for three access modifier, means public, private, and protected. But suppose we are not using any access modifier, so it would be a default access modifier. Okay. If you want to set as public, so must be declared here public. If you want to declare private, to must be declared here private. If you want to declare protected, to must be typed here protected. But if you want to declare the default, so you have not need to use any keyword. If you are not using any keyword, it means that is a default keyword. Okay, understood?
Okay. Yes.
Brijesh and Rohat, any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. No, next is a static. Static is a non uh, non-access modifier. It's also modifier, but non-access modifier. What is the meaning of that? Actually, we can say in Java there are two types of variable: static and non-static. Okay, so Java does not provide us any keyword for non-static. If we want to declare a static, so we use static keyword. If we remove that, so this is a non-static member. Actually, Java does not provide us a separate keyword for non-static. If you are not using static, it means that is a non-static. Okay. So what is the difference between static and non-static? So in short, we can say static belong to class. Okay, a non-static belong to object. If you want to access any static member, so we have not need to object of that class. If we have, we know that class name of that member, so we can access that member with the help of class name. Okay. But if we have a non-static member, so first of all, we will create the object of that class. After that, we can access that member, because non-static belong to object. Without object, we cannot access non-static member. Okay. But static member have not need of object. We can access that member with the help of class name. So here main is a static. So we can call main method with the help of class name. We have not need to create the object of this class. Okay. Only class name we can use is to call this main method, because main is a static member. Next is a void. Void is a return type. Means void means nothing. So main method uh, don't return any values because main is also a method, make a function, but it will not return any values. And main is a function name, method name. Actually, we are calling method in Java at the place of function. Okay. So here, main is a method, main is a function. Main function that is the entry point of your program. Program will be execute starting from main method. And main method have one properties, there is a string type array. This is array. The string is a class, predefined class in Java. Okay, and this is symbol of array, and this is a variable name. So we can use any variable name. You can use any here. You can type any name, no problem. Okay.
Yes.
So after that, open the brace and type here any code of Java. Suppose we want to print anything on the console. So we use print system.out.println. Okay, we can if we want to print this text in next line, so we use ln. So after printing of this sentence, it will print backslash n and go in next line. Okay, so here first of all, try to understand this. System is also a predefined class, same as string. System is also a class. Okay, like suppose here class system, and system has a out is a reference variable of print stream class. Print stream is also a class for uh, output if you want to print anything on the console. So we use print stream class. Okay, so out is a reference variable of print stream. You can say it represent a standard output device, means console. Okay, and the next is a print is ln. Print ln is also a method of print stream class, and it is used to display. It is used to print the message or a value of a variable on the console. Okay. So actually, so here system is a class, out is a reference variable of print string class, and println is a method of function of print stream class. Okay. After that, we can write anything. It will print on console in double quotation. Okay. And after that, we can save this file with .java extension. Suppose I am going to remove this. Suppose we want to try to execute this program. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. Suppose here. abc.java. Okay, I save this file with name abc.java. Suppose we want to execute this. Okay, so I save this file in D drive, my data folder, group folder, Java folder. Okay, but this folder is empty. Oh, 1 minute. I think this save in here abc.dat. So we can save this file in Java. Okay, so Java have a one file ABC. Suppose we want to execute this Java file. So please, first of all, open CMD in command prompt. Okay, yeah, currently we will in Java folder. Here you can see this we have a file abc.java. I want to execute this file. So first of all, type here Java C. Java C is a compiler of Java. Type here file name is abc.java. ABC is our Java program file. Please press enter. Okay, compiled. Okay, again I'm going to show the list of files. Okay, so here you can see this. There is only single file abc.java. But again, I'm going to show the list. So here you will get another file demo.class file because our class name is demo. So it will create a class file with class name demo.java. Suppose we want to execute this file. So we use Java. Java is your application launcher and demo.class. So here type here your class name demo and press enter. You can see this. Hello everyone. Okay. So for compilation, we use this. This is a compiler. After that, we can specify the name of class. After that, after compilation, we use Java space and here name of class and press enter. You can print it. Okay. But Spring, print ln, it, suppose here we want to type here anything like number. Okay. But your print ln method treated each and everything as a string. So here we can't use comma. That is a concatenation. For concatenation, we use plus sign. So suppose we want to execute file again. Okay. So compile this file. After that, we can execute this file. You can see this. Hello everyone, but it's not showing. Actually, close this file, open this file. Here, this is a group. Now I'm going to open this file, editor, okay, and type here plus 2023. Okay, save this file. After that, compile this file. Okay, and run this file. You can see this. Hello everyone, 2023. So actually, print ln method treated as each and everything as a string. So if you have declared a number or symbol, it will work use as a string. So here we are using plus. Plus means concatenation of two string. Okay. So each and everything used as a string. You can see here. Okay. Hello everyone, 2023. So for concatenation, here use plus sign and like this. Okay, so here we can write each and everything in it's as a string because here you can see this. It's also this main have a string parameter. So we will get each and everything from the outside as a string. So mostly work we will work as a string in Java. Okay, so these are the beginning. These are the so there is a program you can see here. So we can type here a program and say with Java extension. After compilation, it will generate a class file, and with the help of Java C, we can compile Java file, and Java C we can Java through the Java we can execute our class file. Okay, so this is some introduction of your Java. Any doubt? Any queries?
No.
No.
Okay. So in next session, we will use IDE, and then we will create the Java program and perform different type of operation in Java. Okay.
Okay.
Are
Uh,
we going to create like a project too?
yes, 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 yes. So in next session, we will create project and create different types of classes and each and everything. Okay, and we will perform
Yeah.
oops concept and other thing.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
Thank you.
only introduction. What is Java and how to
Right.
use Java, how to create a class in Java, how to execute. So that is the beginning of Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, most welcome. Rest of all, any doubt, any query?
No.
Okay, okay, thank you. So we will meet
Thank
again
you.
in next session and we will try to create project and each and everything. Okay,
Sure.
okay, thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.